Hey guys, it's Jay again. How you guys doing? Doing good? I hope so. Right? Looks like the weather's getting a little better today, so that's good, but maybe next week it will rain again. I'm tired of the rainy season. Right? I'm tired of it. So tired of it. So I hope it finishes soon, because I'm tired of getting wet every day. All right. Do you guys know I have a YouTube channel? I do. Do you know? Did you hear about it? How did you learn about it? So that'll be our topic for today, right? We got little mini Jay. He's like, what? What's that? I heard something. So we're talking about know, hear, and learn. Know, hear, and learn. There's a few different uses to it, right? いろいろ使い方ある with prepositions. 前置詞もあるね。So it changes the meaning of each one. So let's give these a look, okay? I don't know a lot about computers. Know about. About is probably a group word, right? A collection of things. There are many kinds of computers, right? Apple, Windows, Linux systems, Google Chrome, things like that, right? So many different styles of computers. I know computers, maybe okay, but I don't know about computers, the systems, the things like that. I don't know a lot about Japan's history. I don't know a lot about Japan's history. Japanese history would actually be better, right? So when you have a lot of information, and it's all different, know about. I don't know about it. I don't know much about it. I know a lot about it, okay? I want to learn how to cook. Learn how to. Know how to, right? So I know how to cook. I want to learn how to cook. So how to is pretty easy. It's just the method. It's the yarikata. How do you do something, right? The method. Ho. I want to learn how to write kanji. I want to learn how to cook. I want to learn how to find a pretty girl. If you know, please tell me. Onegaishimasu. Of. I heard of a new restaurant in Hiroshima. Of is you get just a little information. Yoku shiranai. You don't know a lot about it. You just get a little bit. I heard of a new restaurant. I just knew of it the other day. I know of it. Maybe I only know the name of the restaurant, right? I know of it. Yeah. Something like that. Maybe I learned of it in the news. You just read the headline. Not the whole story, but just a little bit information of. Okay? All right. So know about a lot of information, right? There's many different styles. Learn how to. How to, right? Know how to, learn how to. Method. How do you do something? An action, right? And of, just a little information, okay? But when you 100% know, right? もう聞きました。もう習いました。Right? わかる? Then we don't use a preposition. 前置詞使いません。Alright? I know her. 彼女知っているよ。Right? I know her. 彼女知っているよ。Alright? So no preposition. I know of her. Means like お名前だけ聞いた。Right? But 本当に彼女知らない。I know about her. Maybe I know her history or something. It's a little strange. But I know her. Okay? I know Japanese. Not true. Right? I learned Japanese. I'm finished. I'm already perfect speaker. Right? I learned English. I'm done. I learned Japanese. Okay. Right? I learned how to cook. That's just the method completely finished. I learned math when I was a child. 2 plus 2 is 5, right? And heard. それは聞いたよ。もうわかるよ。I heard that. That's okay, I heard that. Jay, the meeting moved from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. わかるよ。I heard that. It's okay. Alright, so I know completely. よく知っている. No preposition. Alright? Alright, so one more time, guys. Right? Know about, learn about, know how to, learn how to, hear of and hear something, right? Hear about, also okay, I heard about that, but maybe again, more information, right? I heard of it, I heard about it, more information, okay? More. All right, so I hope this will help you understand how to use prepositions, the 前置词, a little better with learn, hear, and know. All right? So there's a link for the worksheet in the description. So go ahead, open that up, give it a little practice, check your answers. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below or try to contact me directly on YouTube. All right, guys? All right, have a great day. See you next time.